So best areas ngayon to buy real estate. I would like to share itong The Future of Real Estate na presentation ni Sir Rab Hizon. So hindi ko siya i-discuss, but rather i-highlight ko na lang yung mga sinabi niya doon sa presentation. No? So it's really about location. So maganda yung tinanong mo, keep calm, na saan ba yung best areas ngayon? Kasi we can never really say na maganda real estate ngayon without mentioning ano yung particular location mo. Kasi kung condo investments in Metro Manila, medyo bagsak kasi ang daming inventory no na hindi nabebenta. So depende dun sa location. Mga areas na talagang very saturated na sa Metro Manila is yung Makati, Ayala Alabang, yung Cebu Business Park, yan, BGC, Nuvali, and Circuit. Pwede nyong tingnan yung Altarazza, Azuela, and Vermosa sa Cavite. Ito daw mga promising, no? Developments to watch out for. So ito yung gusto kong i-highlight. Yung Northwind Global sa Marilao, Bulacan. So very promising daw. So Shop House District, model for sustainability and hub for the hub of the North. So Northwind Global, Marilao, Bulacan. Bridgetown sa C5 Pasig. Yan, nakapunta na rin ako dito. Promising, although right now tinatao siya ng mga health buffs kasi may Spartan training obstacle course doon yung isa kong friend na addict sa Spartan doon nagtitrain. So Bridgetown, C5 Pasig, looks promising. And Bay Area sa Pasay. So kahit na nawala na yung mga pogo, words of my friend, medyo ghost town daw yung mga condominiums sa may Bay Area. It still has a lot of potential. Medyo matagal lang yung hihintayin mo kasi nag-iipon pa siya ng momentum. But si Sir Rab believes na may potential pa rin dito. Ito daw yung tipong mag-i-invest ka sa BGC nung early 2000 na kung saan puro damuhan siya. Kasi gusto mong kumita ng malaki 20 years after. So yung Bay Area, quote-unquote, mukha siyang damuhan ngayon. Quote-unquote lang kasi developments. But if you're willing to hold 10, 15, 20 years, you could have big returns dun sa investment mo dyan sa location na yan. Northwind Global sa may Marilao, Bulacan, Bridgetown, C5 Pasig, at saka Bay Area Pasay. So, this is not my opinion but yung shinare ni Sir Rab dun sa live stream namin about real estate in the Philippines. So, i-check nyo na lang or i-contact nyo si Sir Rab Hizon if you want to learn more or if you're planning to invest in real estate. Ayan yung kanyang contact number. At maraming salamat, Sir Rab, sa pag-share nito sa akin.